fix SOS on your iPhone. Now, if your iPhone shows SOS only, that it means it cannot be connected to your carrier's network. So these are the best way that you can fix it. So you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that you just need to scroll from the very top right hand side, and on the control center at the very top left, or the place where you have kept your Wi-Fi, mobile data and airplane mode, you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, this helps you to reset the network settings and the SOS will be gone. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you just need to press the volume down button and power button at the very same time, and from here you just need to restart your iPhone. So by restarting your iPhone, most of the common issues will also be fixed in a very easy way. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you just need to check your SIM card. So you just have to have SIM ejector with you. So remove the SIM tray and clean the SIM gently and reinsert it properly. And if you're using eSIM, then you just need to call your network provider and ask them about the issue, and they will help you to fix it. So that's it. That's how you can fix the SOS only on iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.